So we have a mystery here today. Pork King Good, which is a company that makes pork rinds and seasonings and all kinds of things that we love. They had a special product available the other week, and it was a mystery flavor of pork rinds. It's apparently a new flavor of pork rinds, but they weren't telling the flavor. You just had to order it blind. And they gave some clues. They said it's not spicy at all. It doesn't contain any allergens, like the main allergens. And they said it does have a tiny bit of sugar in it, like less than 1 gram per serving, I think, which makes me think maybe it's one of the sweet flavors, because the sweet flavors all had like 1 gram of carbs per serving, maybe. But we don't know. They said that a lot of their employees, or at least several of their employees, it became their favorite flavor as soon as they tasted it. So do you guys have any guesses of what it might be? Okay, Renee, what?
Cinnamon roll. Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll. That's an interesting guess, but they already have churro and they already have apple cinnamon. So I think that would be unlikely.
Never mind.
You don't have an idea anymore?
I was going to say cinnamon oatmeal.
Cinnamon oatmeal. What's your guess?
Cinnamon, I would think that's apple.
Oh, apple. Just apple. Okay. Talia.
I thought it was going to be something like strawberry cream or raspberry cheesecake.
Oh.
Like that.
So do you have any guesses at all?
No.
No? Raspberry cheesecake. That would be interesting.
Lemon meringue.
Lemon meringue.
Lemon.
I thought peanut butter. I was wishing for
But the allergens.
Exactly. I was wishing for a peanut butter flavored pork rind.
Banana bread.
Banana bread, that would be a good one. It may not be sweet. It may be savory. I was thinking barbecue, maybe like a sweet barbecue. They said it's not spicy at all, so it makes you think probably not a barbecue, but they could have done something super sweet like that.
Bacon.
Bacon flavor. There you go. That's probably
They already have bacon.
They have a bacon flavor seasoning, but they don't have a bacon flavor
That would
pork
kinda-
rind.
Maybe bacon.
Okay.
What's that? Oh,
So, of course, this huge box doesn't only contain the secret flavor. You bought them in 4-packs, and so I have 1 4-pack in here of the mystery flavor, and then, of course, since I was placing an order, I went ahead and ordered some of our favorites. The pork rinds are something that the entire family likes. Of course, everyone has their favorite flavors, but everyone in the family likes a lot of the flavors. And then the dessert pork rinds have become one of our absolute favorite family snacks. Everyone loves them. Okay, are we ready for this?
Yes.
yes.
Let's see.
Okay, so I ordered, I think a 10 or 12 pack of nacho cheddar.
Oh my God.
So those are on top here. Ooh. Oh, and then I ordered Charity's favorite that she's been dying for.
Salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar. And then I ordered my husband's favorite, which is
That's my favorite
white
too.
cheddar. And I think I see what's the secret flavor, and it starts with a K. And I had this in my mind.
Kettle chip.
Not kettle chip, that one. I mean, kettle corn. Oh, maybe it's kettle corn. I was thinking
Kettle corn.
Korean barbecue. Now that you know it starts with a
Kettle
K.
corn.
Kettle corn.
Kettle corn or Korean barbecue.
Kettle chip. You should see it right
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Kettle corn. I'm ready.
now.
What is it?
What is it?
Ketchup. I actually thought ketchup the other day when I was thinking about flavors.
What?
So now you're not excited about it, Talia? Okay, so it has pork rinds, seasoning, and the pork rinds are cooked in pork fat, organic coconut palm sugar, because ketchup is usually a little bit sweet, tomato powder, salt, onion, and garlic powder, and then just spice.
Heck?
So it has 1 gram of carbs per serving. Who still wants to try it?
I do. I don't.
You don't? Okay. Well, you just have to.
She
Let's-
doesn't like ketchup regularly.
Yeah,
I
well,
like ketchup.
flavored things it's gonna be different. It's gonna be similar to barbecue, I think.
What the heck?
After you try this, then you can have salt and vinegar.
Okay. I want to put the
Wash
cheddar
it down.
stuff.
Cheddar?
The
Oh, the white cheddar or the nacho cheddar?
Nacho cheddar.
Oh, yeah. It smells like barbecue.
Smells like pork rinds.
It does smell like barbecue.
Ooh, that
Like,
smells
I
so
really
Okay, you ready to?
barbecue.
Don't taste it yet. Let's get it all and dink it.
Whoa, that's a big one.
Yeah.
Here,
Okay, there's
you
a
guys
little-
can split
there's
this one.
Oh,
When they
it's
even
crunchy. I
Okay.
don't know.
All right. Here we
Yeah,
go.
that's a big
Let
one.
me get a bite-sized one. Okay, let me show.
It smells
There's
like
a lot of nice
barbecue
seasoning on there. I wonder if they'll sell the ketchup seasoning in the bottles.
Just ketchup seasoning that you do on mustard.
I feel like it smells a lot like the
Come forward, I
barbecue,
can't- we can't see
barbecue
it.
kettle chips.
It does. Okay, are you guys ready to dink it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dink it. Sing it. It's good. It tastes like sweet barbecue. It tastes like sweet barbecue. Ooh, that's really good.
Want mine?
You don't like it?
Oh, it's not my favorite. I think white
That one's
cheddar is
good.
better.
I like that one a lot.
I think white cheddar is my favorite.
I like it more than. Oh, I want to have some of that too.
White cheddar, give me.
I like it more than I thought I would.
Okay.
But it's definitely not going to be one of my top ones. My
Okay.
top ones are like
And then try
salt,
that one.
vinegar, white cheddar, and butterscotch.
Yeah, ketchup is not a favorite condiment in our house. We don't use it. I mean, why use ketchup when you can use barbecue sauce? That's typically what I feel about it. But this, I mean, it feels like a texture difference. Like
Oh, yeah,
it's
I
just
like
the
them.
seasoning. These are good.
I could definitely eat more of them.
These are really good. And I like that it's another flavor that's dairy free. They have a lot of great dairy flavors. All the cheddars, the nacho cheddar, the white cheddar. Ranch is amazing. Sour cream and onion is amazing. But if you need something that's dairy free, they have the dill pickle. They have the salt and vinegar and this ketchup now. And I don't know if this is going to be like a permanent flavor or not. All I know is that it was the special mystery flavor and it's sold out in like an hour or something ridiculous.
Whoa.
I got the email about it and I went and placed my order really quickly. And then I found out just real quick after that that it had sold out. So we got in on it. All right. I'm happy about this. I mean, all of our ideas were good. They all would have been good.
It has exceeded my
But
expectations.
This one, it's delicious. I mean, it does. It doesn't taste like ketchup. I mean, I guess I don't eat ketchup enough. It does taste like
It does
a
taste like
sweet
ketchup.
tomatoey barbecue
I
because
eat
it has
ketchup.
like onion and garlic in it, and some more savory flavors that I don't really think of in ketchup. And then it's also got that hint of sweetness. That's really good. All right, so of these 3 flavors, and you guys want to try the nacho cheese too?
I'll try it.
I will.
Nacho cheddar. Of these 4 flavors that we got, which one's your favorite, Charity?
Salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar.
Maybe salt and
Ketchup is
vinegar.
your favorite now?
Yeah.
All right, Levi's favorite is ketchup. This is nacho cheddar.
I
You
could
wanna
try it for a vote.
Yeah.
Little one.
Mmm. I don't like this one.
So good.
I don't really like it much.
You don't like nacho cheddar,
It's fine, but I don't want to eat a lot of it.
but you like the white cheddar better.
My favorite here is this one.
Okay, so yours is the salt and vinegar.
Put
Mine-
your
yours,
on it.
yours is the white cheddar.
Mine.
I don't know if I can choose a favorite between the nacho cheddar, the ketchup, and the white cheddar. I like the salt and vinegar, but it burns my mouth after a while. And I don't know. I like
What
the
do you gotta
cheesy.
choose?
I like the. I'm just gonna choose the ketchup with Levi.
No one likes the nacho anymore.
Mm.
No one thinks it's good. The best
I don't
kind.
like it.
Wait, everyone say their favorite kind. I don't like this because I don't dill pickle.
Butterscotch.
I don't
Wait,
like
no,
it.
are sweet
Well,
ones allowed?
I think we're just talking about the savory right now. You don't like
Probably
the
dill pickle,
nacho
but
cheddar. You like
I
the
don't-
ketchup best.
I don't like a lot of them. The only ones I really like. The only one I really like is this one, and then butterscotch, and the other sweet one.
The other sweet ones.
What?
Everyone likes the sweet ones.
Except for birthday cake.
Birthday cake is birthday
It was
cake.
fine. It was just kind of plain.
I
All right.
like this. I like apple.
Let me know. Are you guys going to try this when it comes on sale? Again, if it does, let us know what you think. Anything else we have to say about Pork King Good stuff?
The best, the best.
They have the best salt and
pickle.
vinegar seasoning I've ever had in
Yes,
my
they
life.
Yes, the kids go through the salt and vinegar seasoning like nobody's business.
Homemade fries, pressed in salt and vinegar. It's amazing, but it makes your mouth burn. But it hurts good.
I do have a coupon code for Pork King Good. I am not affiliated with them. I don't make any money off of you purchasing their products, but I do have a 10% discount code. I forget what it is. I think it's Indigo, but I'll put it down in the description. Thanks for this fun mystery reveal video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we'll see you again in the next one.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. Bill Pickle's best.
Are you going to eat that entire bag?
Yep.
But you still have a bunch on your face. How did you get it all the way to your hair? Did you take a bath in ketchup pork rinds? You did? Yeah, you need to share some with me. These are so good. Yum.